This next strengthening exercise that we'll be demonstrating, we'll be using the mini band for forward kicks. In a previous video, we demonstrated how to use the mini band for backwards kicks, which was specifically for engaging and strengthening the hamstrings muscles and also the glutes. In this case, the forward kicks is going to be specifically for strengthening, maintaining and developing the quadriceps muscles and also the hip flexors. So the way we'll be starting this exercise will actually be in a standing position. Everything here is going to be almost identical to the mini band kick backs, but it's all going to be in reverse. So the way we're going to start here is jump into the mini band itself, have the mini band surround our shins a few inches above the ankles, and from this position, instead of the starting position being my right leg, the leg that's going to start the activity, be placed backwards to get that resistance in the band, it's actually going to be placed forward. This is going to be my starting position for working my right leg. From here, we're going to focus on our stabilizing leg, the left leg, which you can bend your knee slightly to allow yourself to find that balance. And then with your right leg, a few things to focus on are: number one, locking your knee out. Number two, pointing your toes up. Number three, as very similar to most exercises, engage your core, squeeze your core. It'll help you find your balance here and perform this exercise in a more efficient way. Once you've focused on all those different things, you can raise your heel off the ground and then kick forward. As I'm kicking forward, I am still focusing on knee locked out and toes pointed up and core tucked in. Over here, between reps or every other rep, you can take a break, rest your heel on the ground, allow your stabilizing leg to recover and relax for a second, and then you can go ahead into the next rep. From the other side, I'm going to work my left leg now. So my left leg starts forward, my stabilizing leg, my back leg is going to be my right one in this case, which is going to get a slight knee bend to help me find my balance. On my working leg now, I'm going to focus on locking my knee out, pointing my toes up towards the ceiling, tightening my core, raising the heel off the ground and kicking forward. Working my hip flexors, working my quads, taking a break if I need to allow my stabilizing leg to relax and recover, and then go ahead for a few more reps. And that's how we perform the mini band for forward kicks.